Most organizations have a dominant culture and numerous subcultures. The dominant culture expresses the organization's core values. Core values are the primary or dominant values that most people within the company accept as part of the organization's values. Again, these values are unique to the organization. No two organizations will have the exact same core values. Subcultures are mini cultures within an overarching culture. Subcultures tend to appear when a group's culture is slightly different from the organization's culture, or it can be drastically different. Think about each one of your classes, especially in-person classes. Each one has a slightly different set of expectations, slightly different norms, and maybe even a different vibe. Subcultures may also develop within departments or within geographic locations. It's important for managers to understand both the broader culture and each one of the subcultures. Sometimes the two conflict, which creates additional problems. What they're hoping for is alignment. An organization's dominant culture and its subcultures can be described using the 6 characteristics you see here. Each one of these characteristics exists on a continuum from low to high. A company can score anywhere on that continuum. Adaptability is the degree to which people are encouraged to be innovative and flexible, as well as to take risks and experiment. These cultures value flexibility, creativity, and change. Detail orientation is the degree to which people are expected to exhibit precision and attention to detail. These cultures value reliability and order. Results or outcome orientation is the degree to which managers focus on results or outcomes, rather than the techniques and processes used to achieve those results or outcomes. These cultures value competition and professionalism. People or customer orientation is the degree to which managers take people into consideration when making their decisions. They consider the outcomes on people both inside and outside the organization. These cultures value humanity and fairness. Collaboration or team orientation is the degree to which work activities are organized around teams rather than individuals. These cultures value cooperation and participation. Finally, integrity is the degree to which people exhibit integrity and high ethical standards in their work. These cultures value justice, openness, and transparency. In addition to the 6 characteristics mentioned on the previous slide, we can also characterize an organization's culture by its strength. In a strong culture, core values are intensely held by its members and are widely shared. The more members there are who accept the core values, and the greater their commitment to those values, the stronger the culture tends to be, and the greater its influence on organizational behavior. In a weak culture, there isn't much agreement about the organization's values, and people view the culture in very different ways. If employees can't describe the culture, it's probably weak. Weak cultures do not have as strong an impact on organizational behavior as strong cultures. If an organization has a strong culture, then its members know exactly what is expected of them. There is predictability, orderliness, and consistency in the expectations. And these clear expectations go a long way in shaping their behavior. The unanimity of purpose builds cohesiveness, loyalty, commitment, and in doing so helps reduce turnover.